All right. Good morning. Okay. Good morning, everyone. My name is Teacher John. Okay. You can call me Teacher John. May I know your name?
Ella,
Ella. Good morning, Ella. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay. Very good. All right. Have you eaten your breakfast already?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Very good. What did you eat for today?
Noodles.
Noodles. All right. I like noodles as well. Okay. So, anyways, we're going to start our topic for today about the five basic sentences. Are you excited?
Senses, teacher? Yes,
Okay. Can you
teacher.
Okay, before we start, can you give me a thumbs up?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. All right, we're going to start with the five basic senses. Okay?
Five
We
basic senses.
Very good. We have the smell. We
Smell,
have, okay, the sight,
sight,
touch,
touch,
hearing,
hearing,
and taste.
and taste.
All right, very good. Let's start with the first one, the sense of smell. Can you repeat that for me?
Sense of smell.
Very good. One more time.
One
Sense.
sense of smell.
Very good. We use our nose to smell things.
That
Can you
we
can you
use
repeat that
our
for me? Mhm.
nose to smell things.
All right, very good. Good job. Can you give me a thumbs up?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, great. So what do you see on your screen right now? Can you tell me?
Girl,
The girl. Okay. What else?
flower,
Very good. The girl is smelling the flower using her.
nose,
All right. Good job. Okay. Let's go now to the next one. The sense of sight. Can you repeat that for me?
sense of sight.
Okay, great. Now, we're going to use our eyes to see things. Can you repeat
We
that for me?
we use our eyes to see things.
All right, good job. Okay, can I see your eyes? Where's your eyes?
Here, teacher.
Okay, okay, very good. Now, what do you see on your screen right now?
A boy,
All right, a boy. What else?
flower,
Okay, the boy is looking at the flower using his.
eyes,
Very good. Good job. All right, let's now go to the next one, the sense of touch. Okay, we
touch.
very good. We use our hands to touch things.
We
Can you
use
show me your? Mhm. We use our hands. Can you repeat that?
we use our hands to touch things.
Very good. Now, can you show me your hands?
Yes,
Can you show me your
teacher.
hands? Okay, very good. Can you give me a thumbs up as well?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, great. Good job. All right. So, what do you see on your screen right now?
A girl,
A girl. Okay, great. And what is a girl doing?
playing,
Playing. Okay. The girl is playing what?
clay.
Clay. using her.
Hands.
All right, very good. Okay, now let's go now to the next topic, which is sense of hearing.
Hearing.
Okay, very good. We use our ears to hear things.
We use
Can you
our
repeat that?
ears to hear things.
Okay, that is great. Now, what do you see on your screen right now?
A boy.
A boy. Okay, great. What is a boy doing?
He's listening.
Listening to.
Music.
Very good. The boy is using his
Ears.
ears. That is great. Okay. Now, let's go now to the last one, which is the sense of taste. Can you repeat that for me?
Sense of taste.
Very good. Okay. We have sweet. Can you say
Sweet.
sweet? Okay.
Sweet.
Like an ice cream, right?
Okay,
Okay.
teacher.
We also have sour. Can you repeat that?
Sour.
Okay, like the lemon, it's sour. Okay. What do you see on your screen right now?
A boy.
A boy. Okay, very good. The boy is what?
Eating.
Eating. Okay. Eating and tasting the apple. Okay, very good. All right. So let's now try to answer this. Okay. We're going
Okay.
to. Okay. All right. So let's start with the first one. Here with my.
Hear with
What is this?
my ears.
Very good. Good job. Next one. Smell with my.
Smell with my nose.
All right. Good job. See with my.
See with my eyes.
Okay. And then taste with my. What is this?
Mouth.
Taste.
Ah,
Taste with
tongue.
my tongue.
Tongue.
Okay. Very good. And feel with my.
Feel with my
What is this?
hands.
Okay, that is great. Good job. So now let's try to review. Okay. Touch. We use our.
Hands.
Okay. For hearing, we use our.
Ears.
Okay. For sight, we use.
Our eyes.
Very good. For smell, we use.
Our nose.
Okay. And for the taste, we use.
Our tongue.
All right. Good job. Can you give me a thumbs up?
Yes,
Uh,
teacher.
okay. Very good. So, I'm very sad right now. It's actually the end of our class, but you don't have to worry. I'm actually excited for our next class. Okay? So, see you next time.
Okay,
Bye bye, Ella.
teacher. Bye
Bye bye, Ella.